Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create batch invoices in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to generate multiple invoices at once, saving you time and streamlining your billing process instead of creating each invoice individually. To get started, navigate to the gear icon labeled Settings in the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen. This is your control center for all import and data management functions. Once you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options. From that menu, click on Import Data. This section allows you to bring in bulk information from external files directly into QuickBooks. Next, you'll see a list of different data types you can import. For our purposes today, select invoices from this list. This tells QuickBooks exactly what type of data you're about to upload. Now you'll need to locate your prepared CSV file that contains all your invoice information. Click Browse to open your File Explorer, then navigate to where you've saved your CSV file and select it. Before moving forward, QuickBooks will give you the option to add new customers or products and services that don't already exist in your system. Review these options carefully and select what applies to your situation, as this ensures all your invoice data will import correctly without errors. The next critical step is mapping your CSV columns to QuickBooks fields. This is where you tell QuickBooks which column in your spreadsheet corresponds to which field in the invoice, like customer name, date, amount, and so on. You'll see your CSV columns displayed alongside QuickBooks fields on the import screen. Take your time here to match each column accurately. If your invoices include tax codes, map those as well when prompted. Once you've completed the mapping, click Next to proceed. Now comes the final confirmation step. QuickBooks will show you the total number of invoices ready to import. Unlike some import functions, QuickBooks doesn't provide a preview for batch invoices, so double-check your file beforehand to ensure accuracy. When you're confident everything is correct, click Start Import to begin the process. After the import completes, head over to the Sales menu and click on Invoices. Here you can review all your newly imported invoices to make sure everything looks correct. From this section, you can also send the invoices to your customers as needed, either individually or in batches. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.